So there's a chicken over here. I'm at Super Wesco sitting down just chilling. All of a sudden here comes a chicken. What the fuck is this chicken doing here? Where the hell did this chicken come from? It's a chicken. And it just keeps coming closer and closer to me. Well, you're unexplainable. Just out of nowhere. Here comes the chicken. What the hell? It's looking all puzzled. Well, come here. Come here, you stupid chicken. A chicken. A chicken. There's a freaking chicken at Super Wesco. What the hell? What the hell is this chicken doing here? Is there a purpose for you? Huh? Damn chicken.